You're exactly right, Carolyn. State health officials revised and extended the epidemic orders to stop the spread of COVID-19 and the new drastic steps bar and restaurant owners are worried about. Michigan health officials are ratcheting up pandemic restrictions as a second wave of COVID-19 batters the state. Hospitalizations have doubled over the last 21 days, and the reported death rate has increased for 5 consecutive weeks.
We are at a critical time in this pandemic. We are now in the midst of another surge in cases.
Dr. Khaldun with the state's Health and Human Services announced new orders to stop the spread of COVID-19. Employees at restaurants and bars must now collect names and numbers for COVID contact tracing, and no more than 6 people can be seated at a table. Bob Roberts co-owns McShane's and represents Corktown's Business Association.
Personally, I think that it's a huge invasion of privacy. And so the real question becomes, what happens if somebody refuses to give it to you?
Currently, there are 12 outbreaks in Michigan associated with bars and restaurants. Roberts says many businesses in Corktown can't afford another shutdown.
Well, it's a challenge every day. Entrepreneurs have a tendency to be planners and to always look to the future. And obviously, we're not in control of our own destiny right now.
Our overall case rate in Michigan is at 172 cases per million people per day. That has been increasing for 6 weeks. Our 7-day average for cases is more than 2 times higher than it was a month ago.
And restrictions were also put in place for indoor gatherings such as parties, weddings, and banquets from 500 to only 50 people. And Dave, a violation of the order could cost you $1,000 or land you in jail. Live in Corktown, I'm Rudy Harper, 7 Action News.